All right, Hollywood Studios Day, kids. It's raining. Well, at least you figured that out now. Forgot glasses of child. We're usually pretty good about remembering everything. I cleaned them, that's why, and I think I moved them. I did. Glasses.
Right here.
Now a brother can see. So the nice thing is when you rent from Kingdom Strollers, boom, they give you a rain cover to go with it. So you're prepared. And Polynesian has the tiniest elevators ever.
1970s.
It is pouring. It's raining. It's kind of a gloomy day, but that's all right. So we already chose this park today because we had fast passes, but it's really a great park for raining because all your rides are inside, so it shouldn't affect wait time or closures or anything like that. So not sure how much vlogging I can do. It's a new camera and I don't know how water resistant it is. I don't want to ruin it. But I'll try and do some like once we get inside the rides and kind of in different places. But we bought these cute little rain jackets thanks to Janet at Happiest Vlogs. So we are covered, our kids, I'll show you our kids. We've got the stroller with the rain cover, so they're set. We also got their ponchos, so we should be set. So, all in all, it should be a good day. We already stopped at Wawa, we got our breakfast, and we're ready to go on some rides. We have fast passes for, what is it? Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror. Actually right now. So we're just waiting for my husband to take care of some stuff and then we'll be on our way. What's he saying to you, buddy?
Thank you. Mommy's talking to you.
Are you talking to Goofy? He's Big Hero 6, aren't you, buddy?
Wow, 6. Wow, that's fun.
So who was that on the phone? It was Goofy? What did he say to you? You remember, did he say happy birthday? Wow!
Yeah!
You must be a VIP, buddy. So it is, so it's almost 11 o'clock and the park is not busy at all, so that's kind of nice. I mean, obviously it is raining, but it's not bad. Wait times are bad. We didn't get fast passes for Toy Story because this is the time where it's like, they didn't offer them, but they did offer them. It was weird. So it's a 65-minute wait, and I'm not really sure we're prepared to make 65 minutes. Yep, we're gonna go on Star Tours. That's what our fast pass is for right now.
On second thought, I just remembered how much I hate Space Travel. You have a nice trip, Noah.
There has been a gate change for Star Tours Flight 610 Star Speeder service to Cushing. Flight 610 will now be departing from Gate 1D. This is a gate change announcement only. Thank you.
That's one fantastic thing, boy. Movies can be very unpredictable. And that's why I'm the assistant journalist and you are the astromech. You depart. You just do your job, and I'll do mine.
Like the guy falls.
Excuse me, Captain.
Who are you?
C-3PO, systems analyst.
It's about time. The binary motivator's acting up.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I can't fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. Go on, shoot, shoot. Tour droids. Really? What? Oh, now this is malfunctioning too. This will take longer than I thought.
Please pay attention to the following safety information.
Who do you think is going to be the rebel spy?
Doors have opened. Please
Are you the rebel
directly
spy?
across the ramp.
Are you the rebel spy?
Continue to move
Are
all the
you
way
the
across
rebel
your aisle, filling in every vacancy. Galactic regulations require that all carriers...
Oh, she changed her mind. Maybe she was the rebel spy. Maybe he's the rebel spy. Alright, the Star Tours gift shop. Do we want to look or we want to ride the ride again real fast? Whoa. No, that's just hand sanitizer. Lots of Star Wars stuff, huh? Here's some cool Star Wars pins. Whoa, the Millennium Falcon. That's Falcon amazing. Oh, that's the Earth ones. These little guys are cute though. Little dwarves they're called. That's the metal one. You actually have to build that. All right, what's the plan, guys?
Want to go on that again, that ride?
There was no way. You want to try and see if we can get a different simulator? Come on. Woo, air conditioning.
You like that pod racer now?
That's pretty cool. Oh, here we go. It's like, you gotta walk up on it. It's like the credits. Who do we want to meet? The Jawas, I think, are usually down here, but I don't know if they're out. Remember they had that in the Disney Dream in you guys' play area?
Jennifer, I need my blue bill.
Yeah. Getting your drink at the cantina. Sir, would you like to request a song?
Thank you. We're the Cantina Band. If you have any requests, shout them out. Play that same song. All right, same song. Here we go.
Luke, drink your blue milk. Do you want to go meet Kylo Ren? It's a dark experience. Who are you going to meet? Maybe Kylo Ren? No, he won't. He won't be mad. He won't be mad. Come on. It's okay.
Welcome.
Oh, hello.
Right this way.
Oh my God. Aaron, it's okay, honey. Aaron, come on.
Get closer.
Proceed to the light gray area.
Me, I'm next to me right here.
Go right there.
Step forward. Right there.
Right there, buddy.
Perhaps the first order is your destiny. If not, no matter. It is your future.
Yes, sir. Look at me, young one. Again. Completed.
We're finished here. But your future serving the first order is just starting.
Be dismissed, young one.
Come on.
Quickly.
How cool is that, buddy?
It was like how you came up right there.
Oh my God. That was awesome. What did you think of that? Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Maybe next time we come, they are all in the Kylo Ren costume.
Yeah. You just missed out. Why did you do that? He wouldn't be mad about your shirt. Dude, he was all up in Noah's grill, man. He was all up in Noah's grill. What is all this? Oh, you can get your D-Tech on demand. Get a phone case. What is it? Yeah, Solo.
Aaron, you want this?
What'd you get?
I got it for you, Aaron.
Whoa!
You can make a school collection.
Oh, nice!
I got it for you, Aaron.
You are such a nice
I got
brother.
Aaron a new pin. Now Aaron, I got
He
it.
traded this for Aaron.
Now Aaron can put it with his other skeleton. Now Aaron can have his own skeleton.
That's true.
This is our first time eating here.
All right, so we're at the Backlot tour, or Backlot restaurant, or whatever they call it. He got the chicken and waffles, so this is his first time. He's gonna tell you how good it is. It's hot, clearly.
Chicken nugget they serve everywhere.
You mean these aren't different chicken nuggets? How's your food, buddy? What'd you get? A cheeseburger and fries? Is this a kid's burger or a regular burger? I was like, that looks big. That looks good. What'd you think?
The ranch is a little bit different, but awesome.
The ranch is a little different than what you're used to, but you're flexible, right? You're nothing but flexible. Did you try it with the chicken and the waffle, maybe in the syrup? You want to try that or no? Too weird for your palate? Maybe put a little piece of chicken on it too? Oh, okay. You got it. When you dip syrup, you gotta like dip it and then stop it because now you got a whole trail of syrup. I got the caprese sandwich. It actually looks pretty decent. I'm excited. Michael is foregoing eating, I guess. He's got a drink. All right, let's eat. How was your lunch?
Okay.
How's your burger now? Later.
How is his burger, Daddy? It actually looks pretty good.
You know, let's make this
Dry as the Sahara.
Is it really? My caprese sandwich was really good. Are we at Hollywood?
Let's eat.
Hollywood Bootios. Hollywood.
No, I'm not. Mommy?
You're gonna put your elbow in ranch, buddy. You're gonna have a ranchy elbow. This kid is obsessed with pin trading. It was a success. All right, so the rain has lightened up quite a bit. We just had lunch, but this park is pretty. We've done just about everything, and I was able to get a fast pass over at Epcot for Test Track. So we are going to take the chance that either if it's raining and it's down, they'll give us a fast pass for something else, so we can either do Frozen or Soarin', or save it for later on when we want to do something else. It's kind of like a little freebie. Or if it's open, then we can actually go on it, which we kind of want to do anyways. Oh yeah, there's Bertha. All right, let's make our way out of Hollywood Bootios.
Do it. Go to Epcot.
Go to Epcot. We're gonna cut through the store because we like to spend money. Lots of Solo stuff. That's actually kind of cool. Doesn't feel very good though. Chewie is my co-pilot. I love that. Oh, look at the little, I don't know, those like little booty shorts or something. Mama can't wear shorts that short. Or at least I shouldn't. That's cool. Look at this, Daddy. The Han Solo jacket.
Those secret packs?
These are figures.
So these little park things.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah, so it says
very cool.
6 each when you buy 3. So you just open them in their little mystery packs.
Oh, those are cool.
Do you want to get 3 of them? 1 for you, 1 for Aaron, and they'll say 1 for Luke?
No, not me.
Why can't? Yes, he can. Trust me, Luke would love this stuff more than
one.
Together, get 3.
Oh, together?
Yes.
That's 1.
So he's got 1 in his hand. So
No!
he already has this one in his hand, honey. Okay, this is like trying to negotiate with terrorists or something. Okay, you each have 1 in your hand, right? And then I'm gonna pick 1 for both of you. Oh, he probably would like that. He does have an antenna too, doesn't he?
Of course he does.
Luke has the one car left to get a bin in it. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Look how cute that is. Okay, we're gonna get it. We'll have to give it to him before he posts his vlog so he doesn't see it. Daddy tries to act like he doesn't want to get anything for Luke because he's a teenager and he's older and whatever, and he's almost 18, but he got him this. I thought that was sweet. He loves him. It's for Luke. All right. We spent a little bit. Is it still raining? It doesn't really look like it's... Oh yeah, I guess it is. Sprinklings. Bye Hollywood. We'll see you in a few days.